his furry coat and his gauzy wing, now in a lily cup, and now setting a jacinth bell a-swing in his wandering. Sit closer, love, it was here I trow I made that vow. Swore that two lives should be like one, as long as the seagull loved the sea, as long as the sunflower sought the sun. It shall be, I said, for eternity, twixt you and me. Dear friend, those times are over and done. Love's web is spun. Look upward where the poplar trees sway and sway in the summer air. Here in the valley, never a breeze scatters the thistledown, but their great winds blow fair from the mighty murmuring mystical seas and the wave-lashed leaves. Look upward where the white gull screams. What does it see that we do not see? Is that a star, or the lamp that gleams on some outward voyaging argosy? Ah, can it be we have lived our lives in a land of dreams? How sad it seems. Sweet, there is nothing left to say but this, that love is never lost. Keen winter stabs the breasts of May, whose crimson roses burst his frost. Ships tempest tossed will find a harbor in some bay, and so we may. And there is nothing left to do but to kiss once again and part. Nay, there is nothing we should rue. I have my beauty, you your art. Nay, do not start. One world was not enough for two like me.